Oh yeah, what's going on YouTube? Nick here, coming at you with another video. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do in your Uber and Lyft game to get $500 to $1,000 extra every single month, okay? But before we get into the video, there's a couple things I want to talk about. My subscribers, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you watching, subscribing, and supporting me on this journey. I couldn't do it without you. Thank you so much. And to show my appreciation, right, and I'm really excited about this, starting next month in June, I'm going to be doing a monthly giveaway of like rideshare essentials, things that you will need in your car to help you make more money, earn more tips, and just make an overall better impression on your riders, get that 5-star rating, and to help you make more money. Okay, so that's the main thing. So every month I'm going to start doing this. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and I do appreciate you guys. So let's get into the video, right? So to help you make $500 to $1,000 extra every month, and I promise you this will happen. And this is like, I'm talking mainly in the Boston, Massachusetts market where I drive. I drive a premium vehicle. I drive an Acura, a 2015 Acura MDX. I drive in Uber XL, which is premium. Hopefully Uber Comfort pretty soon. I would love to see an extra category for Uber where I can make more money. But I drive Lyft Lux, Lux XL, Lux Black XL. So in those categories in the Boston, Massachusetts market, I upgraded my vehicle back about 6 months ago, and I highly suggest you do it in Boston. Boston is booming. If you're in the Boston area, if you're in the market and you want to make more money and you need some extra money, sign up to drive with Uber. Sign up to drive with Lyft. I'm telling you, the demand is here. We're very busy here. It's always surging. There's always bonuses. There's just a lot of money on the table, and you don't want to miss out. If you want to sign up and you haven't signed up already, go ahead and use my link in the description below. Not only are you going to get a huge sign-on bonus when you start driving, but I'm also going to give you a free dash cam. Okay, so I've already given a couple away. This is a dash cam right here, the Venture Pro. I'm going to give you this dash cam for free when you sign up using my bonus in the Boston, Massachusetts market. Not only that, guys, but I'll be here to help you. I'll reach out to you. We can talk. I'll tell you exactly where you want to be, how to position yourself, how to develop your strategy, what times are going to work best for you, what times are going to help you maximize your drive time to maximize your earnings. So that's the first thing. I say sign up and drive, right? Sign up and drive. You will make $1,000 to $2,000 a week driving for Uber and Lyft in the Boston, Massachusetts market. Secondly, if you are a driver, upgrade your vehicle to a premium vehicle. All right. If you've been driving for Uber and Lyft for a little while, you've been driving the economy modes. That's Uber X, that's Lyft regular, the shared, the pools. You've spent your time there. I'm sure you've experienced your struggles at this point. When I stepped up out of the economy rides and I got a premium vehicle, my life completely changed. I wasn't so burnt out like you can get when you drive full time in Uber X and Lyft economy. So upgrade your vehicle, number two, upgrade your vehicle after you sign up and drive. Number one, sign up and drive. Start getting in the game, start making money. Number two, upgrade your vehicle, okay? You need a vehicle that will qualify for XL minimum for Uber. Now, on the Lyft side, you want to make sure you have a vehicle that qualifies for XL and for Lux, all right? This is very important. If you have any questions about that, please reach out. I'll be happy to do that because there is a setting where you have to be able to choose to turn off the economy rides, right? And I want to make sure that you can do that because that is like the number one thing that helps me make more money with the premium vehicle, right? You have to be able to turn that off. With Uber, with the XL vehicle, you can turn off the economy rides, but it's not the same for Lyft. You need a vehicle that qualifies for the Lux category and for the XL, so you can turn off the economy rides, all right? So check out the requirements for Lyft. I'll put the link for the all the vehicles that qualify, the vehicle requirements in the description below. Thirdly, you probably see it already, business cards, guys. Business cards. These are making me $500 to $1,000 extra every single month with new clients, private clients, people that call me up. The way that this goes is that you hand out your card, right? Hand out your card to as many people as possible. I'm always handing out my card, finding out information about people. If they live in the area, for sure, I'm giving them my card so they call me for their next ride. If they're traveling for business or they're here, they're going to be here regularly. I get a lot of those people. I definitely give them my card. They call me for rides, from the hotel to work. It's not that big of a deal. It's usually like a 5-10 minute ride, not a big deal. But when they go to the airport, they're calling me and I'm taking them on those nice expensive rides to the airport. And like, that's the premium, right? Right on the highway. long ride, long miles, no stopping and going, no beating up your car in the city. Those are the rides. Guys, $500 to $1,000 extra. I spent $30 on these cards. Check online. You go to vistaprint.com, and I think they're going to give you, you know, you can get your first batch of cards for really cheap. In my next batch of cards, I'll pay $100. I'll pay $100 for these because I know they're making me so much money. My clientele's building all the time. I have more numbers in my phone. I had a ride to the airport yesterday. I had a ride to the airport today with a private client. A Lux ride today. $56 fare to the airport. He tipped me $11 in the app, plus gave me a $20 tip in cash, right? So at the $30 tip, $31 tip, I made $31 in tips off one ride. $56 ride right there. So that was like an $80 ride for less than an hour today. $80 in an hour. Now I'm sitting at the airport because there's a long line in the tunnel to get out of here. So unfortunately I have to wait. But the line is moving and I should be out of here shortly. Last time I checked, I was number 4 in the queue for Lyft. So that's what I'm saying. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I do appreciate you watching. If you liked the video, go ahead and give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button, click the bell so you get notified when the next video comes out. I'm gonna be starting to do the free giveaway every month for my subscribers. So you will have to subscribe. You'll have to so you get notifications, you know when I'm giving it out, because it's just going to be like a spur of the moment type of live type of giveaway. So I'm going to be giving away stuff every single month. I'm even going to be giving away the dash cam to my subscribers, so every month. And when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll be starting to do this every single week. I'll be doing a giveaway every single week. So you heard it here first. The Rideshare Hacker monthly Rideshare Essentials giveaway. It's going to be happening. Look out for the video. It's going to be coming out next. I'll give you all the details and all the information for the free giveaway. Thanks for watching so much. I'll see you next time.